Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones Turtle Beach Atlas Air with your Android device. You have to start by open settings, then go to connected devices, now click pair new device, and after that turn on your headphones. If this LED light is green, it means that it's in the wireless mode, so just click one time at this icon to change it to Bluetooth mode. And now it should enter to pairing mode automatically, so we should see it at the device list, but if it doesn't, just press and hold Bluetooth button. And now we enter to pairing mode. Now click on it at the device list and click pair. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!